Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one several times before, so that's where these green lines down here are coming from. But after today's very, very impressive move, both of these lines are, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just get rid of that one. And then I'm going to use this level. Whoops, I guess I lied. I'm going to get rid of both of them. But I'll just, get rid of them because sure, they, like I said, pertain, not relevant. And I don't want to cause confusion because there's lines all over the place. But one of the newest areas of support, and this one is definitely much more relevant, and what I would call the ideal level is right here at $2.78. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.78, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above $2.78, that would definitely be a very impressive sign of strength on the bull's part. But again, by no means is that like a must-hold level or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 278, that would be a great sign of power. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, got to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, so a good problem to have. Chart's getting a little bit harder to see, but that's just because the price hasn't been up this high for several days. So the next key overarching level to keep an eye on, right up there at $2.90. And I'll just leave it at that because I'm sure if the price can get up above and then stay up above $2.90, that I would be back to update the chart at that point in time. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward, but no doubt about it, very nice movement today. And as long as this price movement continues, what do I mean by this price movement? Well, as long as the price keeps on chipping away with those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that is the name of the game right there. So focus on healthy consolidations and building higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.